In this video, we will learn how we can easily work upon discounts on a shopping website. Let's say you want to offer 10% discount to users on the purchase of more than 2000 INR. Then you can easily go through it. For going through the settings of discount and adding a new discount, you just have to click on store settings, click on it. Here you can see the promotion options are visible. Click on discounts. Now you can see under discounts, none of the discounts have been added till now. If some discounts have been added by you, then you can search it from here, filter from here only. Now we will click on add discount to add a new discount. Here you can see the discount options are visible. The first one is title, the admin title, which would be visible to the admin. Second is the discount. This would be visible when users will check out. Here you can choose a discount type. The first one is order discount and the second one is product discount. Here if you want to go for order discount, just have to click on it and you can select the following. Like if you want to give a discount on total amount, that is which I have discussed before, on more than 2000 10% discount, then you can select this option, total amount only. And if you want to only give for product discount, just select it. And here you can see some other settings are visible. Click on all. Now you can see you can only provide discount on basis of product type, product attributes as well as user. So now we will select order discount. Here you can see we have selected order discount. Now under all, I will be selecting total amount. After clicking total amount, it will ask me for the total amount, that is INR. Here I will add 2000 rupees. So if the total amount would be greater than or equal to 2000 rupees, the user will get a discount of 10%. And here you can check that I want to give discount on the rupees off on INR or on percentage, or I can also give free shipping and other settings you can check. But I want to give 10% discount, so I'll enter 10% here. So let's add the discount percentage and the total amount. So let's add it. So here you can see I have set an order discount for 2000 INR. So if the total cost would be more than 2000, then it will give a discount of 10% because I have set here 10%. After doing the changes, here you can check the last option, like if you want to keep the discount status as active, click on it. The next one is discount date. If you want to give a discount date, like for festival discount, you can give a weekly discount, you can mention a date here. Discount compatibility, if you want it to be compatible with other discount, you can select any of the option, because right now we only have a single discount which we are creating right now. So we will only click on any discount. The last one is maximum usage. If you want a particular user with a unique email ID, like a user is having an email ID to log into the website, can only use 5 times your discount. If you want the user to use the discount only 5 times, just enter 5 here. If you will enter nothing, then it will consist of unlimited option. So we can enter 5 times here. This has the maximum overall usage of the website. You can enter here the values. But right now we will keep it as default and click on save discount. Here you can see the error is visible that admin title field as well as a machine readable name field is required. So now we will add it. So here you can see I have added the admin title with new discount. This will be visible to the admin only, not shown to customer. It is mentioned here. Here I have also added a machine readable name to it. After doing the changes, I will click on save discount. So here you can see we have successfully created new discount. Here you can see the offer type is percentage and the type is order discount. Rest other settings are also visible. Here you can see you can easily edit from here and the status is active. So now we will see how we can easily work upon discounts. For that we will go to the home page again. Right now you can see under our cart checkout 1000 INR is visible. So now we will add 2 more products and we will make the total to around 2000, and let's see what happens. Go to the sample category again. Here you can see your sample category. Here click on the product again. Here you can see your product is visible. Now we will add 2 more shirts to it. So let's add it. This will now make the total to 2000. Now click on add to cart. So now you can see a cart includes 4 t-shirts, 4 quantity, and the total is 2000. Now I'll click on go to checkout. Here you can see your checkout is visible. The SKU is the unique ID. Here you can see the product price. So the product price was rupees 500 and total quantity 4. So now you can see the total here, which is 2000. And here you can see the discount, which would be 10% of 2000, that is 200, as well as the taxes which we added in previous videos. So total is 1920. So in this video we learned how we can easily work upon discounts and how we can add order discount for users who have purchased a product more than 2000 INR and they get a discount of 10%. Thank you for watching.